5 tips for doing your best work every day. No 2 workdays are the same most of the time. There are many days where merely showing up to work seems like it's the best you'll do. Showing up and doing your best work on the daily is what will ultimately set you apart and make you feel like a more productive member of the organization. 1. Set clear milestones. You have a project to complete. Instead of working endlessly toward that one end goal, set mini goals or milestones for yourself. If you can meet a milestone every other day, it'll be easier to keep your head up and pushing forward with the same vigor as day 1. 2. Plan and prioritize. Many jobs include prioritizing work tasks. Take time at the beginning and end of every day to look at what you've done and what you need to do. Prioritizing and planning your workday or the next one will allow you to move seamlessly through your day without losing focus. 3. Conquer difficult tasks first. That one task you're really dreading, like calling back an annoying salesman, do it first. Get it off your list. The rest of the day will seem like a breeze, and you won't use other tasks as a way of procrastinating. 4. Be aware of limitations. Your limitations exist. Everyone has limitations. Be aware and admit these to yourself. You may also need to disclose your shortcomings to your supervisor or a coworker. Being aware of things that are out of your league will make asking for help easier. It'll also give you a list of skills you need to work on professionally. 5. Don't stress. The first 4 tips in this list can be daunting. Numbers 1, 2, and 3 may require that you restructure your workday. Number 3 might give you heart palpitations, and number 4, who wants to admit their own shortcomings? Do not let these tips stress you out. Instead, slowly work to implement the easiest of the suggestions, whichever that may be for you, and level up when you're ready. Bringing your A-game daily will take time and hard work, 2 things you're no stranger to. Remember that doing your best work every day of the week will pay off in the long run, even if it seems complicated and scary in the beginning.